Hello guys, my name is Poscoyer09 and this is my first time playing Minecraft. I'm waiting for start and oh, I spawned this biome and I fixed my settings. I'm go to the video and the third person go to the third person front and that what a nice. I'm just badly playing Minecraft. And this is video for the new. Like and subscribe to some more active video. And let's start this game. And go back to the settings and controller touch. I fix my controller joypad and crosshair and the video in the third person, the first person, right? I'm so sorry for my grammar and just little bit practice English and let's go get wood. Oh, oh, shit. I see the pig, but I fixed my controller. Where's the touch? There it is. I custom my controller and it was little bit and that it's break the wood. I know I'm bad to play Minecraft, but I'm trying my best right now. I don't have views, but try my best. I'm going to content creator and finally my dream. And let's craft the wood blanks, crafting table and sticks and 12 sticks. And place the crafting table and craft the pickaxe and craft the sword and break this craft. Bruh, my CP is patatas. Hehe. Let's go find some cobblestone. La 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 la. And just exploring little bit. Oh, I find some cave. Oh, she have extraction top item to hold bar to hold it. Oh, okay. And kill this cow. 1, 2, and what? Bro, my aim. Oh, sheep. Oh, really? My CP is patatas. Oh, chicken. And I'm going to the settings. Video. Tap in the bottom. And UI project and go to the classic. And this is like classic and go into the PC, right? And my crafting is changed. And let's go find some cobblestone. Oh, I know let's get this cobble. La 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 la. Oh no, zombie is so lot. I kill this by one by one. Oh no, I'm bad PvP. I'm just trying my best to kill the zombie. I don't know. I don't wish him. Oh no. One, two. Oh, I get fix this tomorrow or an another month because I'm trying my best to get fix my controller. And so hard to kill this one. Finally, skip die. Okay, and I'm going this. I get the call right now, but I see two zombies around. Nah, not this again. One. Oh no, my sword is broken right now. No, my aim. Oh no, my sword broke. Oh no, what? Nah, nah, no. Put my crafting table here. Fast and fast. Nah, nah, I'm dead. Let's fix this tomorrow. Thank you and bye.